Unlock a healthier you by steering clear of these 7 foods that may contribute to blood clots. Fibrin, a key blood protein, can form troublesome clumps leading to severe health issues like heart attacks and strokes. But fear not. Embrace a heart-friendly diet with natural blood thinners and antioxidants that prevent clots. Discover the top 7 foods to dissolve blood clots and safeguard your cardiovascular well-being. Number 1. Onions. Onions contain anti-platelet compounds that inhibit blood clotting by preventing platelets from clumping together. The quercetin in onions limits thromboxane, A2 production in platelets, while adenosine helps prevent platelet aggregation. Onions also improve circulation by dilating blood vessels, allowing blood to flow freely. To reap the protective effects, include raw onion slices sprinkled with lime juice in your diet or add them liberally to soups, salads, and sandwiches. Number 2. Papaya. A tropical fruit, papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which prevents blood platelets from clumping together. Studies indicate that papain inhibits platelet aggregation by suppressing calcium influx into platelets and interfering with fibrogen binding. Papain not only improves blood circulation, but also aids in digesting dietary proteins. Enjoy fresh papaya cubes sprinkled with lime juice for breakfast or as a midday snack to take advantage of its anti-clotting benefits. Number 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants like naringin and vitamin C, which prevent platelets from clumping together. Naringin extends clotting time and inhibits fibrin polymerization and platelet activation. Vitamin C reduces platelet stickiness by increasing nitric oxide levels. Studies also suggest that grapefruit can lower cholesterol levels, improving cardiovascular health and blood flow. Drink a glass of grapefruit juice or add grapefruit slices to a salad to receive its protective benefits against unwanted clotting. Number 4. Natto. Natto is a Japanese dish made from fermented soybeans and is known to be high in nattokinase, a potent enzyme with fibrinolytic activity. This means it can directly dissolve and eliminate blood clots. Research shows that nattokinase enhances the body's clot-busting processes by activating plasminogen and increasing fibrinolytic effects. Nattokinase is so powerful that it can break down already formed clots. Introduce natto into your diet with rice, eggs, or vegetables, but be aware that getting used to the slimy texture may take some time. Number 5. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper gets its red color from capsaicin, which has blood-thinning properties. Capsaicin inhibits platelet aggregation, preventing clumping, and eases tension in blood vessel walls, promoting better blood flow and lower blood pressure. It interferes with platelet activation by blocking calcium signaling and thromboxane A2 release, increasing circulation and fibrinolytic activity. Sprinkle cayenne pepper on meals or mix it with lemon and warm water for a homemade blood-thinning tonic. Start with small amounts to build up tolerance. Number 6. Pineapple. Pineapple contains the proteolytic enzyme bromelain, which possesses anti-clotting and anti-inflammatory abilities in the blood. Bromelain reduces excessive fibrin production while removing fibrinogen to prevent clot formation. The enzymes in pineapple also improve circulation by clearing away plaque and debris from blood vessel walls. Enjoy fresh pineapple desserts and juices regularly to guard against problems stemming from blood clots. Number 7. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, salmon has anti-clotting effects on the body. Omega-3s reduce fibrin production and platelet aggregation, inhibiting platelet activation by reducing thromboxane A2 generation. These fatty acids also limit fibrogen binding to platelet surface receptors, necessary for clot formation. The American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish like salmon at least twice weekly to prevent blocked arteries and blood clots. In conclusion, unwanted blood clots can obstruct blood vessels and lead to heart attacks, strokes, and other complications. However, a diet rich in garlic, pineapple, and onions can help combat blood clots and improve cardiovascular health. Their natural blood-thinning properties prevent platelets from clumping, while their antioxidants reduce inflammation and enhance circulation. Regularly include these clot-fighting foods in your meals for optimal health. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and comment. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more health-related content.